The first sign was small. My card declined at a gas station I'd used for years, same pump, same routine. I assumed it was a network issue and tried again. Declined. I checked my balance. Plenty of money. The clerk watched me with polite impatience. I paid with a credit card and left, mildly annoyed. 10 minutes later, my phone buzzed. Security alert. Unusual activity detected. I tapped the notification. For your protection, certain features of your account have been temporarily restricted. Temporarily was reassuring. I clicked Learn More. The page explained nothing specific. Just that my account was under review and I'd be contacted if needed. I drove home thinking it would resolve itself. It didn't. That night, my online banking app logged me out. When I tried to sign back in, a message appeared, access limited. Please contact support. I called immediately. After navigating menus, a calm voice answered. Yes, the representative said. Your account has been flagged by our risk monitoring system. For what? I asked. She paused slightly. Potential irregular patterns. What patterns? I said, I use this account every day. Yes, she said. That's part of what triggered the review. I didn't understand. Using it too much? I asked. She didn't laugh. Volume changes, she said. Timing. Transaction context. I haven't done anything unusual, I said. She spoke carefully. The system doesn't evaluate intent. Only deviation. Deviation from what? I asked how long the review would take. Typically 3 to 5 business days, she said, and until then. Some services will remain unavailable. Like what? She hesitated. Transfers, withdrawals, certain payments. My rent comes out tomorrow, I said. She made a note. I recommend notifying your landlord, she said. That sentence landed harder than anything else. I hung up and stared at the wall. My money was there. I just couldn't touch it. The next morning, my landlord texted. Rent didn't come through. I explained quickly, embarrassed. He gave me 2 days. I called the bank again. This time, the hold music felt longer. Another representative, different voice, same words. The review is ongoing. What triggered it? I asked. I don't have visibility into that, he said. Who does? Our risk assessment team. Can I speak to them? No, he said. They don't take direct calls, so they decide, and I just wait. Yes, he said. It's for everyone's safety. Everyone's. I went to the branch in person. The teller recognized my name and frowned. I can see the restriction, she said. But I can't override it. Can you tell me what's wrong? I asked. She lowered her voice. It's not wrong, she said. It's elevated risk. Risk of what? She shrugged slightly. Loss, fraud, liability, but I didn't do anything. She nodded. Most people don't. That sentence stayed with me. By day 2, auto payments started failing. Streaming services, utilities, small things, but each one felt like proof that I was losing control. I tried to move money from savings, blocked. Tried to write myself a check, flagged. I felt trapped inside my own finances. Friends suggested opening another account. I tried. The application stalled, then returned an error. Unable to proceed at this time, I called the new bank. Your profile triggered additional verification, the representative said. What profile? I asked. External risk data, she said. From where? She couldn't tell me. I realized then this wasn't contained. The freeze was spreading. On day 3, I received an email from my bank. Subject, request for additional information. They wanted documents. Proof of income, proof of address, explanations for recent transactions. I uploaded everything within an hour. Receipts, pay stubs, tax forms. I wrote explanations that felt absurd. This transfer was for groceries. This payment was rent. This withdrawal was cash for daily expenses. I sent it all and waited. Day passed. No update. My landlord texted again. I borrowed money from a friend and paid him in cash. The humiliation burned. On day 5, I called again. The review is still in progress, the representative said. It's been 5 business days, I said. Yes, she said, and it may extend. To when? There's no fixed timeline. What if I miss payments? I asked. That's unfortunate, she said. But unrelated to the review, unrelated, my credit card balance crept up. Interest accrued quietly. I started losing sleep. I imagined a dashboard somewhere with my name highlighted. Risk score, elevated. Reason, unclear. Action, restrict. On day 7, I finally received an update. Account status, partially restored. I logged in immediately. Online access was back. My balance was still there. Transfers were still blocked. I called. This means the system has reduced your risk tire, the representative said. Based on what? Your documentation, she said. And time as evidence. What happens now? I asked. Continued monitoring, she said. For how long? She paused. Indefinitely. My rent went through the next day. Relief washed over me. Briefly, a week later, I applied for a car loan. The denial came instantly. Reason, risk profile. I checked my credit report. Score unchanged. History clean. But there was a new note. Account under enhanced financial review. No explanation. Just a mark. I called the bank one last time. Can you tell me what I should do differently? I asked. Silence for a moment. There's no corrective action, she said. This wasn't behavior-based. Then how do I get out of it? She hesitated. Over time, she said, if nothing concerning happens, and if something does, then restrictions may return. I thanked her and hung up. That night, I thought about how fragile it all was, how quickly access became permission, how money stopped being something I owned and became something I was allowed to use. No one accused me of a crime. No one said I was irresponsible. The system simply decided I was risky. And once that label exists, it doesn't need a reason. It just needs time.